What's up, YouTube? Uh, Franklin here again, and oh man, gradually, we are gradually making a lot of progress in CSS. Yeah, as you can see, I think two videos ago we were at the position of we're at the position of only a quarter of it done. Now look at where we are. We are approaching half of it. So the next thing we're supposed to do was CSS list. All right. So we have the ordered list and unordered list. So unordered list is the one with the dots, the square, the block, and all those things. And the ordered list is one, two, three. HTML list and CSS list properties. In HTML, there are two main types of lists: the ordered list and the unordered list. The list items with mark the list items that the list items are marked with bullets, and ordered items the list items are marked with numbers or letters. The CSS list properties allows you to set different list item markers for ordered list, set different list item markers for an ordered list, set an image as set an image as the list set an image as the list item marker, add background colors to the list and list items. Different list item markers. The list style type property specifies the type of list item marker. The following example shows some of the available list item markers. Let's see. Some of the values are for unordered list and some for other lists. Okay, let's see. So let's see. So the first one, list style type, circle, square, upper Roman, lower alpha. Nice. List style type. List style type. Okay. Hold on. There's something I want to see. Oh, okay. So it's HTML wise, but then in CSS, there we go. All right. Oops. Wrong section. All right. An image as the list item marker. The list style image property specifies an image as the list item marker. Example. Oh, okay. So skpurple.gif. That'll give you this. Definitely there will be a list of how to the a list. I dropped my phone. Let me make sure I don't run. Let me go. Yeah. All right. So with that, let's see. The next thing is position the list item markers. The list style position. Ooh, okay. The list style position property specifies. So the list style type is for the list, and the list style position. Okay, so the list style position property specifies the position of the list item markers as bullet points. The list style position outside means that the bullet points will be outside the list item. The start of each line of a list item will be aligned vertically. This is difficult. I don't understand. The list style property, okay, bullet start position. All right, the list style position that's outside means that the bullet points will be outside the item list. Oh, okay. I get it now. All right, I think I lost myself in my thinking while I was doing it. Oh yeah, so This is the list style position outside and the list style position inside. Okay. All right, that makes sense. Remove default settings. Okay, so the list style type none property will also can also be used to remove markers, bullets, markers of bullets. Note that the list also has default margin and padding. To remove this, add margin 0 and padding 0 to other list or on other list or other list. So example on other list. So this on other list, margin 0, padding 0. Okay, so that means remove this thing from there. Okay, get it now. Ooh, I'm tired. List shorthand property. The list style property is a shorthand property. It is used to set all the list properties in one declaration. Example, list style. Oh, okay, okay. So instead of list type style, or list type position, let me see. List style position or list style uh, image. This is image, and this is type. So type image position list style list style. Then the shorthand is when you do list style. So proper shorthand is used to set all the list properties in one declaration. So this one will be square. It will be inside, and then the URL will be purple. Square inside and purple. So let's say if we make this outside and run, see, and move. All right. So when using shorthand property, the order of the property values are list style type. If a list style image is specified, the value of the property will be displayed. If the image for some reason cannot be displayed, list style position specifies the whether the list item marker should appear inside or outside the content flow. A list style image specifies an image as the list item marker. If one of the property values above are missing, the default value for the missing property will be inserted, if any. Damn, I'm tired. Listing styling list with colors. If one of the property values are missing, the default, yeah, styling list with colors. We can also style list with colors like to make them look a little more interesting. Anything added to the other list or another list tag affects the entire list, while property added to the list tag will affect the individual list items. So other list, another list. Let's see the results. So the first one, ordered list, background, padding 20. Second one on other list, background and the padding. Nice. So that's how it works. More examples. Customized list with a red flag border, full width border list, all the different item markers. These are gonna be part of the the things we are going to use as a work guide. You know, it's gonna serve as part of our work guide. Yep. So let's see. These are the tags that we need to use: list style, list style image, list style position, and list style type. Let's go to exercise one. All right, set the list style for unordered list to square, and the list style for ordered list to upper Roman. All right, so on other lists, it's gonna be this and list list style list style type. All right, let's see, bro. All right, that goes, and then we go with other lists. Oops, go this way, and then list style type, and that will be wait. Oh yeah, yeah. Oops, up, oop, there's a hyphen. Upper Roman. Okay, moment of truth. Doom. We got it correct. Let's get it. Now we're figuring everything out. We're gradually getting everything. Exercise number two. Let's get it. Set the image, okay, as the list item marker for the unordered list. So with this, it will be unordered list. This, that, uh, and it will be list list style image. List style image. URL. Was that into brackets or? I don't remember. I don't remember if it was in brackets, but I don't remember if it was in brackets. But let's see. There's no harm in trying. Check your code. Wrong list for unordered list. All right, hold on. As the list item marker for unordered list. Help me out. It's brackets. That's where I got wrong. And then it's instead of double, it's oops, sorry. That and then no. Clear this one. Clear that one, and then oop, there we go. Now check the code. Where did we get wrong? Oh, there we go. Just that space. Just that space. Well, still we got it. Now we know it now. So with the list out property set on other list marker to image marker dot png with a backup style of circle and display the marker inside the contents flow. Wow. I don't understand this question for sure. I don't understand. Let me see. Oh, okay. So with the list style property, set the on other list marker to image with the backup style circle and display and the marker inside the content flow. All right. So let's see. So sorry, UL. I'm trying to see if I can because I looked at the answer. I looked at the answer. Let me see if I can. All right. So let's let's um uh, circle set on the list. Circle URL. Oh, sorry. Mm, that image underscore marker dot png. All right, let's see. Ooh, wrong list start position for another list. Yep. Oh, inside. Oh, inside. So the position. Okay. Right. All right. Inside. Start off back a circle with markers inside. I think that's the reason why I didn't understand the question. I forgot about that part. So remove the bullet marker from the list items. I forgot how that one too is. Let me look at the answer. Oh, let's start type none. Oh, come on, Franklin. Wait, what? How did it? Oh yeah, the same technique. So on other list, let's type none. All right, there we go. Check code correct. All right, there we go. That brings us to the end of CSS list. A couple of stuff that we had to look at the answers again, the answers, but that was because we didn't understand the question very well, and yeah, it's part of the learning process. Appreciate you guys for watching to the end. Thank you very much. It's been an amazing ride so far. I'm trying as much as I can to not get overwhelmed by this. I'm not pressuring myself, but I'm trying to make sure I do a video every day. Appreciate you guys very much. Thank you very much for liking, subscribing, and everything. I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care of yourselves, and I'm out.